Lubchem Korea. Lubchem is researching and developing special-purpose lubricants that can treat harsh conditions such as high and low speed, high and low temperature, as well as high loads, in high-precision state-of-the-art machines and parts. Lubchem provides lubricants to various industries including iron manufacturing equipment, automobile parts, textile machines, cement manufacturers, electronic goods, wood industry, and film industry. With their original technology, Lubchem obtained ISO 9001 TS 16949 approval for grease and lubricant products regarding design, development, production, inspection, and customer service, and thus carried out strict quality control. By providing special lubricants, Lubchem pursues full customer satisfaction with cost-saving, environmental protection, facility maintenance and efficiency, as well as increased productivity. Lubchem Korea will continue to enhance its image as a global Korean company who makes ceaseless efforts with vast creativity for the development of advanced technology and higher quality.